and dear students, how are you? Well, I am getting better. Now, we are passing a critical moment in this world because the coronavirus is attacked, the whole world is paralyzed. So, we are trying to take our class in online system, and you will see the Sansad television and online class. After that, you got some idea about this. Dear students, today's discussion topic is importance of learning English. You know, English is an international language of the world. You should learn English because here is a question: why should learn English? Why should learn English? Look at the blackboard and we will try to make the answer of this question. Number one, why should we learn English? You know, we are living in a globalization era. In this while, we have to learn English. If we can't learn English, if we don't speak English fluently, you will protect step by step. After that, your educational prestige don't take you. So we have to learn English. If you learn English, you can get a good job. And this is why, if we keep your prestige, if we keep our educational status, we have to practice it. So we can say that we should learn English, and you will try to write down in your khata. Dear students, we should learn English to build up our life. So, this is the head sentence of this question. In this way, you will slowly try to write down of this question. First of all, you will try to make a simple question, and then you will try to make the answer of this question. In this way, you be improved in your student's life, and one upon a time will come, you be a good speaker in English, and you will write down correct English in your paragraph, just like this paragraph. And the second sentence is, if we what will happen? What will happen? We do not learn English. Number two, The second question is, what will happen if you don't learn English? Dear students, you know, if you don't practice English freely, if you don't have clear idea about that language, never is possible for you in your life to get a good thing. Even you can't get a good job, you can't get admit in a good institution. At every step, it is very essential for you, and you will try to speak slowly. After that, when you will speak something, and then you will try to write down in your notebook. You know, you may some mistake. After that, your mistaking topics will be corrected by your teacher, and after that, you would be a good writer in English, and you will make a good confidence in your mind. So that we have to practice it, and we will try to write down something, our notebook, and you will help your teacher, and the teacher will help you. And not only teacher, but also you will try to, who are expert in English, you will try to speak with them, and you will ask a question them how to write down it, and different kinds of technique you will gather it, and you will be a good speaker in English, and you will be a good writer in English. So English is important, is essential everywhere in the country. You think that English is the main vehicle of the world. You don't have good idea in English, and you can't communicate with any foreigners. And how to communicate with them? Because we want to communicate with any foreigner about our business sector, about your service hold section, and different kinds of profession. You have to a lot of idea about this language, and you will try to this, and after that you have got somehow idea, and one upon a time will come you would be a good speaker in English and good writer in English, and you will be happy when you will see something speak in English. And on the other hand, you will try to speak with anybody. The two things I will discuss with you about importance of learning English and how to write down something about these topics as a paragraph. And thank you, dear viewers and dear students. And this is critical moment, and you will stay at your home, and when out of your house you will use masks and use hand sanitizer, and so that you can, or everybody can keep ourselves. Thank you.